Hello everyone and welcome to Hans Tech Lab. As you are already aware that we are working on the Docker series, and in the last video we have learned how to run the Tomcat as Docker container and how to deploy a web application in it. So in this video we will learn a few things about Docker desktop. First I will show you, as you know, we were working on the Docker using commands so far, like Docker images and Docker PS, etc. Also start, stop, run, all those things we had tried using command prompt. Now I will show you how to do it with Docker desktop. If you have installed Docker desktop, you can find it in two places. You can open it from the main menu, as well as if you are already opened it and just close it for some reason, you can again find it in the tray here, right? Docker desktop is running now. You can open it by double click here. As you can see here, there are a few menu items, containers, images, volumes, builds, etc. So as you can see, whatever images or whatever Docker images we have saw during the command, Docker images command, we are again seeing it from the Docker desktop as well. I can just show you Docker images. It's giving me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 images. Same list we are getting here as well. And then why these are highlighted and these are not? Because these images are running as containers and these are not yet running as container. So the containers also you can see from here in the containers. The same we can see from here Docker PS. As you can see, there are two running containers that we can see from this UI as well. So now if I want to start any image, that is also possible. You can just give hit on the run button and then you can give some options also. For example, name, MySQL and DB. 10. I will just give this name and 33070 and also the other environment variables also we can give, like we had given in the command the root password. This one also we can give and we can just run it. So this way we can run the containers also. Once the container runs successfully, if you want, we can check that in the command prompt also. MySQL has been started. Again, for stopping also, we can use this stop button and also restart button. Once stopped, we can delete this also. Like rm command is alternative for this one. So this way we can either use both of the Docker desktop UI as well as command prompt parallelly. And also if you want to go inside the container and see the logs, like how we do for with the command prompt also, the same way we can check here, and also we can inspect what is the IP and what is the volume, everything here in this inspector. And any volume we have mounted, that can also be seen here. And also if you want to execute anything like MySQL, we had executed previously, those also can be done here. And also the files also we can see what and all files present in this Docker container, and some stats also we can check what is the CPU usage of this and memory usage, network, disk usage, everything we can see here. So we had not used this one so that we can get to you know the commands, Docker commands, and also learn how to use them. Once you are all aware of the commands, then you can just start using this Docker desktop. Hope you like the video. If you like, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.